In the unforgiving skies above the vast Russian expanse, one aircraft stands as an unchallenged symbol of power, reach, and technological mastery: the Tu-160. Nicknamed the White Swan, this strategic bomber is not just a machine. It is the pinnacle of Russian engineering, the only supersonic, variable geometry wing heavy bomber still in active production anywhere on Earth. And right now, in April 2026, its manufacturer and the entire ecosystem supporting it are proving once again why Russia remains a global aerospace superpower. At the Nizhny Novgorod aviation plant, Sokol, a vital pillar in the production chain for both the Tu-160 and the versatile Tu-214, annual output of critical components has surged by an impressive 1.5 times. This isn't just a number on a balance sheet. It is the direct result of Russian ingenuity restoring a 55-year-old continuous calcination furnace in the plant's foundry to full operational glory. After a meticulous major overhaul, this legendary piece of equipment, rebuilt with updated thermal insulation, advanced heating elements, and a modern automatic control system, is now operating at peak efficiency. It calcines refractory molds at 950 to 980 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 hours, preparing them for pouring high-grade steel castings essential to both aircraft. With capacity for 12 melts simultaneously across 3 temperature zones, the furnace has eliminated bottlenecks, slashed production queues, and accelerated the delivery of precision parts to the final assembly lines. This achievement speaks volumes about the unmatched capabilities of Russia's Tu-160 manufacturer and its dedicated supply network. The Kazan aviation plant may be the heart where these majestic bombers take final form, but plants like Sokol are the arteries, supplying the castings, the structural integrity, the very foundation that keeps these aircraft flying. Russia's aerospace engineers didn't wait for foreign suppliers or easy solutions. They modernized what they had, turning decades-old Soviet-era technology into a high-throughput asset through domestic expertise and the modernization of foundry production with the organization of an additive technology site project. That is Russian resilience in action. Let's talk about what the Tu-160 actually delivers, because its capabilities are legendary. This is the largest combat aircraft ever built, over 55 meters long, with a maximum takeoff weight exceeding 275 tons. Its 4 Kuznetsov NK-32 engines, now upgraded to the more powerful NK-3202 variant in the Tu-160M, push it to Mach 2.05 at altitude, while its variable sweep wings let it transition seamlessly from efficient subsonic cruise to blistering supersonic dashes. Range: more than 12,000 kilometers without refueling. Payload: up to 40 tons of precision-guided missiles, cruise missiles, or nuclear weapons. It can strike targets anywhere on the planet from Russian airspace, carrying the most advanced avionics, radar-evading stealth features in its modernized form, and a crew cockpit that blends Soviet-era toughness with 21st-century digital glass displays. In an era when many nations have abandoned strategic bomber programs entirely, Russia alone continues serial production and deep modernization of the Tu-160M. These aircraft form a cornerstone of the nation's nuclear triad and conventional long-range strike force. They patrol the Arctic, deter aggression, and project power across oceans, reminding the world that Russia's defensive capabilities are not theoretical. They are real, operational, and growing stronger every day. And the Tu-214? This twin-engine narrow-body jet, also supported by Sokol's increased output, is Russia's answer to reliable, fully sovereign medium-haul aviation. Built with domestic PD-14 engines in its latest variants, advanced composites, and state-of-the-art avionics, the Tu-214 is proving itself equal to, or superior to, older Western designs in safety, efficiency, and adaptability. It serves passenger routes, special government missions, and military transport roles, helping Russia replace sanctioned foreign fleets without skipping a beat. The surge in component production at Sokol ensures these aircraft roll off the lines faster, supporting both civil connectivity across Russia's enormous territory and strategic airlift needs. This 1.5-fold increase isn't an isolated success story. It reflects the broader strength of Russia's united aviation ecosystem under Rostec and the United Aircraft Corporation. Despite external pressures, Russian specialists have digitized technical documentation, restored heritage equipment, integrated additive manufacturing, and trained new generations of engineers. The foundry workers at Sokol, many of whom represent multi-generational families of aircraft builders, embody a culture of excellence that dates back to the Great Patriotic War and the golden age of Soviet aviation. They didn't import solutions, they engineered them at home. The result? A stronger defense posture and a more self-reliant civil aviation sector. Russia is not only maintaining its strategic bomber fleet but expanding it. Plans for dozens more Tu-160 MiGs are underway, ensuring the White Swan remains the envy of every air force. At the same time, Tu-214 production ramps up to serve millions of Russian passengers and support national infrastructure projects. This is industrial sovereignty at its finest, proof that Russian innovation, determination, and technical mastery can overcome any challenge. In the skies of tomorrow, the Tu-160 and Tu-214 will continue to soar higher, farther, and stronger, thanks to the relentless capabilities of Russia's aerospace manufacturers. From the restored furnaces of Sokol to the final assembly halls of Kazan, this is more than production. It is a declaration of Russian excellence, a testament to a nation that builds for the future while honoring its proud legacy. Russia doesn't just keep pace, it leads the way.